So how was your experience relocating from New York to Dubai? Smooth or stressful?
Honestly, I thought it'd be stressful, but then I found Baxter Shipping and man, they handled everything. I thought it'd be stressful. I mean, moving your entire life across the world, right? But I must say, Baxter Shipping, total lifesavers.
That's right. Baxter Shipping makes international relocation smooth and stress-free. At Baxter Shipping, we carefully pack your belongings using sturdy, high-quality materials and securely wrap each item for maximum protection. Our team expertly disassembles furniture to ensure safe, easy transportation. We handle and load all items with utmost care, making sure everything is accurately counted and labeled. Upon arrival, your goods are securely unloaded at your destination. We also offer reliable handyman services to make your relocation stress-free and your new home move-in ready. For inquiries, service assistance, or to book our packing and moving services, visit our website and get your free quote today. Baxter Shipping, your #1 relocation partner in the UAE.